Ew, I don't know what that was, but this is 2-week-old hair. It's stiff and it dry and it stay really bad. Hey Kinky crew, welcome back to another video. And today we'll be doing something a little different with a little twist. However, if you are new to this channel, I am Annalise, I am the Kinky boss, and I'm very happy to have you over here. But if you are returning, thank you very much for coming back to watch this video. If you have not yet subscribed, I'm gonna give you a moment to do that. Let's just take a pause. Click that subscribe button down below. And please don't forget to click the notification bell because you don't wanna miss out on when something new is happening over here on the channel. So of course, whenever I come on this channel with my hair looking all funky donkey, you guys know it's about to go down. Something special is about to happen because dry hair is not for us. We don't like it and our thing. Moisture is a must. So if you're not new to this channel, you would have known I am a low porosity naturalista. And so I usually wash my hair weekly and do a deep conditioning treatment with heat, which is the very important ingredient. It's the key part. So I usually apply heat either using the hooded dryer attachment, or I've now got this new steam cap, which I also use just depending on the feel that I'm going for that day. So I'm very excited to try this new method with the direct steam coming on the hair while I'm deep conditioning. I'm very excited to see the results. I want to see how the hair feels. I want to, compare it to like my regular regimen compared to this one. I want to see exactly what happens. So let me just take down this to show you guys what we're working with. And the hair is so dry, so it becomes so brittle, and therefore, it will break so much easier no matter what you do to it. The strands, they become so brittle, so they're so easy to break apart. So this is what we're working with today. Ew, I don't know what that was, but this is 2-week-old hair. It's stiff and it dry and it stay really bad. So without further ado and all bag along chatting done now, let's get into this. I literally just came out of the shower. Now it is time to apply our deep conditioner. So I did my shampooing, all of that in the shower, and now it's deep conditioning time. So the deep conditioner I'll be using today is the Mielle Rosemary Mint Deep Conditioning Mask. And this is my first time trying it actually, but a lot of rave reviews on YouTube. I've seen a lot of YouTubers use it. Oh, it smells heavenly actually. And yeah, I figured, mint with some heat, give my follicles and my scalp a little bit of stimulation. So I feel like this will be a good combination today. So I'm excited to see. All right, so I do shampoo my hair in twists. So this is why it's like that. And I'm just going to start up the steamer so that, we're ready and ready to go. So I'll section off my hair like this, and I will pull out these 2 twists and start the process from the back of my head. So as the steamer boils up, I don't know if you can hear it. So I release these. I mean, my hair is pretty detangled, but not feeling as moisturized as it should. So of course, this is why we're going through with this extra step here. So let's go. Let me see how it feels when So I'm just going to continuously apply the steam directly to my hair. Always the oldest part of your hair will be your roots, so you don't want to neglect this at any point in time. So I'm just applying the steam just at first before any product, just to help open the hair follicles, make sure that the mask can be fully penetrated, and get the process, just give the process a little kickstart. But trust me, as I'm doing this already, the steam is already making my hair feel much softer. So let's go with the hair mask. Take a small amount and apply. Oh, the smell of this, oh my god. can already feel the product like seeping into the hair shaft. Oh my God. Let's get the ends. Wow. Ooh, child. Wow. And my fingers are like, I guess because of the heat and the steam is just allowing my fingers to just literally roll through. And this feels amazing. You guys have no idea. Wow. Woo. My hair feels so soft. It's like a dream, to be honest. It's so soft, so nice. I just have to add a little bit more to a few areas that I feel are a little dry. So let me get those. Wow, but trust me. This is bomb diggity. Wow. Yeah, so here I'm just using a tool just to aid with the detangling process. It shouldn't be hard because I did most of my detangling in the show, but also to help the product penetrate the hair shaft. And this feels amazing. Oh, look at that. Woo! Just taking some more steam. I don't think you need to do this so many times, but honestly, it feels so good, but I just want to make sure that each section is fully steamed. All right, so we will go ahead, twist up this section, and move on to the next section. My wet hair is dripping everywhere. Ugh, I hate that, to be honest, but let's go. Here we go again. So we're gonna start again with the front section. Don't do this at home. Please, to unravel your twist from the bottom, not the middle. Because that happens when you do. All right, so let's just get some steam on here. Oh, and by the way, the face steamer that I'm using today, I'll just go ahead and link in the description box below. But I did get it as a gift, but I know it's straight off Amazon. I found it on Amazon, so I'll go ahead and show you guys the link for that. All right. And let's get into the deep conditioner. So emulsify the deep conditioner a little and apply from roots to tips. And remember, while you're raking it through, make sure that some steam gets onto the hair shaft. But guys, oh, I wish you guys could smell this through the phone. It's amazing. The minty rosemary smell, wow. And you know that rosemary has a lot of benefits for hair growth, so I'm very excited for the strengthening and growth portion of this, using this mask, of course. So finger detangling seems pretty easy. Get it in, get it in. Fingers are going through. That's doing it. Wow. Here we go again with the tool. So start from the tips. Well, we call those the ends. and work your way up to the root. But this, oh, wow. The steam is just allowing the product to just glide through my hair. And so the detangling process is like A1 at the moment. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Da, 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 da. I'm loving it. Woo! Girl, boy, child. Ooh, this is some good stuff. Just two important parts to your hair. You know, two of the most important sections of your hair, the beginning and the end. So try to think of it always. Never forget the beginning, never forget the end. Don't forget where you start from, don't forget where you're going. So I try my best to make sure that the steam also penetrates my scalp. Woo. Woo. All right, so let's look at the finished product. Each section. Wow. Oh. Just one last detangle of each section. And guys, don't forget the scalp. Try as best to get the heat onto the scalp as well as down the shaft. So this is the final product. I'm just showing you guys the ease with which my hair is detangled, one. So that just proves to the result of the product itself, as well as the steam helping it penetrate the shaft. I feel like I'm saying penetrate the shaft so often, but that's the aim of the game. So let's just get this bad boy out of the way. So guys, these are the final results of the steaming process. My hair feels so soft, so moisturized. I really love this technique, and I think that I'll incorporate it a lot more with the direct steam to the hair, because it brings back my hair to life, literally. You know, let me see if I can stand and show you guys. Come closer. The hair, yeah. This hair is not dead. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. So, if you are loving the results of this deep conditioning with steam, please try it out. Let me know how you guys feel. Did it work for you? Is it a method that you want to use, don't want to use? But honestly, if I were to recommend, it would be recommended 10 out of 10 for me. I am loving the feel of my hair, my scalp, the strands, the definition, the curl pattern. I'm literally loving it. So I'd recommend 10 out of 10. Let me know what you think. But guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And until next time, see you. Mwah.